Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Sun Academy. In this lecture we are going to solve a question of interpolation extrapolation with the help of Newton's method. Question is values of x are given 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and similarly against that values of y are given and we have to find y3. That means when x is equal to 3 we have to find the value of y. Now we can apply Newton's formula when the distance between the values of x is equal. So first we have to find the differences. Now value of x are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4. Similarly in the column y 13, 15, 14, 17 and 16. This is y0, y1, y2, y3, y raised to 4. Now first of all we have to find differences. Delta y0, delta square y0, delta cubed and delta is to 4y. Okay. How these differences are to be found? 15 minus 13, that will be 2. 14 minus 15, that will be minus 1. 17 minus 14, 3. 16 minus 17 minus 1. This is delta y0, delta y1, delta y2, delta y3. Then after minus 1, minus 2, that will be minus 3. 3 minus minus 1, that will be 4. Minus 1 minus 3, that will be minus 4. Now this is delta square y0, delta square y1, delta square y2. Then after differences of third level, so 4 minus minus 3 will be 7, minus 4 minus 4 will be minus 8. This is delta cubed y0, delta cubed y1. Then after fourth level differences, that will be minus 8, minus 7, minus 15. This is delta raised to 4 y0. As we are said find y3, it is above the middle, so this formula is Newton's forward formula. This will be called Newton's forward formula. Now as I shown, first of all we have to find the differences, and differences of first level will be used. First we have to find u, that is x minus x0 upon h. Now here x is equal to 3, x0 is equal to 0 and distance is 2, h is equal to 2. So 3 minus 0 upon 2 will be 1.5. Now Newton's formula, yx is equal to y0 plus u delta y0 upon 1 factorial u minus 1 2 factorial divided by delta square y0 plus u u minus 1 u minus 2 delta cubed y0 upon 3 factorial plus u minus 1 u minus 2 u minus 3 upon 4 factorial into delta 4 raised to 4 y0. Now y0 is 13, u we found is 1.5 and delta y0 is 2 plus 1.5 minus 1 upon 2 factorial is equal to 2, delta square y0 is equal to minus 3 plus u minus 1 u minus 2, 3 factorial will become 3 into 2 into 1, so 6 plus u minus 1 u minus 2 u minus 3 and this will be 24, 4 3 jar 12, 2 jar 24, 1 jar 24 and minus 15. So 13 plus 3, 1.5 into 0.5 into minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1.5 0.5 minus 0.5 and value of delta cube 7 divided by 6 plus 1.5 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 1.5 divided by 24 into minus 15. Now these value will be simplified. 13 plus 3 plus 1.5 into 0.5 into 3 divided by 2. 1 point minus 1.125 will become minus plus minus. Now 1.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 7 divided by 6 minus 0.4375 minus plus minus. Then after 1.5 into 0.5 to 0.5 into 1.5 into 15 divided by 24 and minus plus minus minus plus plus minus minus 0.726. So 16 minus 1.125 minus 0.4375 minus 0.726. So 13.71 is equal to y3. Now I repeat, first of all we have to find the differences of all the values. How? 15 minus 13, 14 minus 15, 17 minus 14, 16 minus 17. Similarly, minus 1 minus 2, 3 minus minus 1, minus 1 minus 3. Then 4 minus minus 3, minus 4 minus 4, minus 8 minus 7. Differences of first level are to be used. As I first explained, these values are x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, delta y0, delta y1, delta y2, delta y3, delta square y0, delta square y1, delta square y2. Then after delta cubed y0, delta cubed y1 and delta raised to 4 y0. First of all, we have to find u x minus x0 upon h. X is equal to 3, x0 is equal to 0 and distance is 2. So we got u as 1.5. Now Newton's formula is yx is equal to y0 plus u delta y0 upon 1 factorial u minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta square y0 u minus 1 u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y0 u minus 1 u minus 2 u minus 3 divided by 4 factorial into delta raised to 4 y0. This formula can be expanded up to the differences. Now y0 is equal to 13, u is 1.5, delta y0 is 2, 1 factorial is 1. 1.5 minus 1 delta square y0 was minus 3 divided by 2. 1.5 minus 1 1.5 minus 2 into delta cube y0, that is 7 divided by 6. 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1. Then after 1.5 minus 1 1.5 minus 2 1.5 minus 3, delta raised to 4 y0 is equal to minus 15 divided by 4 factorial means 4 3 are 12, 2 are 24, 1 are 24. Now if we simplify 13 plus 3, then after 1.5 into 0.5 into 3 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1.125. 1.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 7 divided by 6 minus 0.4375. 1.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 1.5 into 15 divided by 24, that is 1.5 into 0.5 into 1.5 into 0.5 into 15 divided by 24, that is 0.035. Here is a mistake, 0.035. Let me check it again because these values are little bit of confusing. Yeah, 0.3515. So 13 plus 3 minus 1.125 minus 0.4375 minus 0.3515, that is 14.086. 14.086 is the value of y3. This is Newton's forwarding method. Now if you want to learn continuously in this chapter, do follow, do subscribe, do comment, do share the link of our channel so other students also can get benefit of the good study.